Go.
Hi, does your house look like this? Has your landscape gotten away from you? Are there other issues with the property that sometimes you just be like, my house has gotten away from me? My name is Brandon. I'm with Simple House Solutions. I am your home selling consultant. I meet with thousands of families every single year that ask me, this is my situation. What do? I just don't know what to do. This family in particular, the house kind of got away from them. But the biggest issue was the foundation. A lot of parts of the U.S., especially here in Texas, the foundation can be a big problem. So one of the big advice that I gave them was, I know your house feels unlevel, but hire a foundation engineer first. An engineer is going to cost anywhere between $200 to $500, and they're going to come out and kind of measure the foundation for you. Once you get that piece of information, you'll want to contact several different foundation companies to give you bids on exactly what it's going to take to fix the foundation. As soon as the foundation's done and being fixed, you'll want to have the engineer to come back again and actually make sure that the foundation's level. The reason an engineer is very, very valuable for you is that it protects you, the seller, because this is a licensed engineer by the state that you're actually living in. And so that way it protects you. After the foundation's done, now you can kind of put that behind you. You can make any upgrades that you actually want to make, and you can sell your house for top dollar. A lot of people tell me, Brandon, I don't want to do all of that. So sometimes they ask me to buy it, and I buy houses all the time that look just like this. And so if you have any questions, you can obviously contact us, but I want you to get the most for your house and give you the information that you actually need. If you've enjoyed this video as much as I have putting it together for you, please share it with someone that you know that this could benefit, and I appreciate your time.